पूर्णमद पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। Namaskar. Before taking up the cited subject of guided meditation today, let me at the outset express my hearty regards to all those who have visited, viewed, and overwhelmingly responded to all my guided meditations, which comprises of certain subjects like enhancing confidence, concentration, positive affirmations and its advantages, divine mantra recitation, breathing techniques, and full body relaxation. Today's topic, though a bit different, I suggest you to visit the previous guided meditations, since today's technique has also bearing on certain breathing techniques already guided upon in those episodes. Further, today's topic being special in nature, which deals with an area of which most of us have not so far tried, found out, felt, and experienced, though each one of us can focus it and capable of concentrating towards it. Which is that space I am talking of? This is the point, gap, or space one can find out when we inhale and exhale. Friends, be completely present. Leave aside all your concerns of yesterday, tomorrow, and of the day at your disposal so that you can be truly present here and now, completely present. Find a comfortable position, your head, neck, and back in straight line. Place your hands on your lap, palms facing upwards, or you can place your hands in yogic posture, either locked in Gnana Mudra or Yoga Mudra or Chin Mudra. You can also sit on the chair comfortably with above postures with closed eyes. In order to make ourselves feel more amenable and tune with the Kriya, and also to make us to feel that tranquility or stillness fills up within us during the pace of present activity, we will do breathing exercise. We will breathe through our nose and exhale through our nose. We will do it now. Please be ready. 3, 2, 1. Breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax now, friends. Resume to normal breathing. You can listen to my voice. Open your eyes. Did you notice or experience anything in between the two breaths? That is, while you do each inhalation and exhalation? Even if you have not noticed, it's okay. We will try to explore it today. Just imagine you are driving a car. During your journey along with the course of your travel, you approach a steep and sudden curve. What are you going to do now? What you will do first, you will reduce the speed almost to a stop level. You stop near the point or stage at which you need to take a careful turn of that steep sudden curve. You begin to gauge as to how to carefully traverse that part of way. You start up and pass through carefully and again resume your normal driving. Similarly, all of us need to notice an important point during the time of our regular breaths. Of course, we are not observing it or finding it or experiencing this pause, gap, or point when we mechanically breathe. This is a tiny space, a gap, a point at the top of each deep inhalation and another at the bottom of each exhalation. We find this before next breath in or inhalation takes place and at the end of exhalation. In other words, when our breath goes in, we also move in. When we go in, we get the space or gap or point exactly at the end of our inhalation before we start to exhale, and further when we go out, we also move with it with exhalation. We get again the space or gap or point at the bottom of exhalation before the next inhalation takes place. Hope there is no confusion in this. I asked you before the question as to whether you have noticed anything when you each time inhaled and exhaled. Friends, this tiny space we fail to notice, we fail to find and experience when we automatically breathe in and breathe out. Please make sure that knowing, sensing, or experiencing this important space or gap or point is as important as our inhalation and exhalation activity itself. But you also bear in mind that we need some awareness to find this crucial space or gap. Finding and experiencing this gap occurs when we consciously into deeper inhalations and gentle exhalations. We consider our breath synonymous with our life itself. Are we right in considering so? We may not be correct fully because when we inhale and exhale, we meet the space between breaths at which, though it is a very tiny gap, there is no movement Neither inhalation nor exhalation takes place there, yet we are very much conscious and the life exists even though breath stops at this pause of time. Breath itself is therefore not life, for the life also exists even when breath stops at tiny gaps between the breaths, either for tiny movement or extended time, as most yogis have proved this during their penance. I reiterate, when breath stops, world of our own stops, thought process stops, no mental manipulation or speculation. Therefore, this tiny or extended space is most mysterious phenomena. When breath stops at this gap, we disconnect wholly from the world, our body, our mind, but we move into a sphere of our own true nature during this tiny or extended space. We are there perfectly conscious and experience a liberating state which makes an awareness of something special. We may call this special experience or awareness as almighty awareness or God's awareness. Next, naturally, certain questions would arise in our minds as to how we can find this space, how this space takes place, how this gap or space could be widened for the time between two breaths is so small and tiny. Today's guided meditation is all about this important space and how to find it. We start noticing this space when our keen awareness and breath goes hand in hand. I repeat, when we start noticing this space, when our keen awareness and breath goes hand in hand. We may not be successful at initial stages of our practice to find out that space and to involve into it. Only by practice we are able to find and experience this mysterious space. Further, when each breath in becomes deeper and deeper and breath out becomes more gentle, we are able to focus this tiny space as well. As a result of this focusing of our things, with the help of more deeper and more gentler breaths, we can also stay in that space for more time or extended space. I will just repeat once again my statement. As a result of this focusing of ours with the help of more deeper and more gentle breaths, we can also stay in the space for more extended time or more extended space and enjoy the symphony of silence. Why we call this space as symphony of silence? We will just analyze this. We call this as symphony of silence because at this tiny or extended pause, we are free from worldly connection and can land up in such a serenity space where peace is there and we are tuned with our own true nature, that is blissful nature. I reiterate, please be aware when breath goes in, we also go in with it. When we exhale, we also move within, and when we find that space, we will be in it too. More you stay there, you are more in space, more in peace, more in tranquility, and more spiritually charged and more blissful. Please also understand that we are not withholding the breath at the top of inhalation. We allow natural flow of breath in and breath out. It is not like pranayama kumbhaka, that is, we restrain our breath when we inhale at the top end. It is not so. Here, we need not put any special effort for breathing. Breathing should be very natural, and only important key is that breaths out and breaths in must be keen, conscious, deeper to experience this space called symphony of silence. With deeper and deeper inhalation and gentler breathouts, we will therefore be able to experience this gap for an extended space. Friends, let us try to explore that gap now. I seek your attention again, consciously present. Leave aside all the concerns of yesterday, tomorrow, and of the day at your disposal. Head, neck, back in straight line, your hands on your lap, palms facing upwards, or hands in Dhyana Mudra or Chin Mudra. Close your eyes now. Please listen to the guidelines before I guide you for guided meditation proper. Your inhalation and exhalation through your nose. As you inhale, fill the air in the lungs, and as you exhale, through your nose, releasing the air out gently and empty the lungs. We shall do this breathing technique at 3 stages. One, at the stage we have already done. The second, taking 4 counts for inhalation and 4 counts for exhalation with a pause in between the 2 breaths. Third stage, we inhale and exhale taking 5 counts, and there within the gap of 2 breaths we are taking pause, which is bit wider than the previous kriya. Friends, be ready. 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax yourself. Resume to normal breathing. Now we will do second half. We inhale and exhale for 4 counts, I repeat, and we will take a pause between the 2 breaths. 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Relax now. Resume to normal breathing. Relax yourself. We will move on to the third hall, in which we inhale and exhale for 5 counts, and also considerable pause will be extended in between the two breaths. 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pause. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pause. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pause. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pause. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pause. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Relax, friends. Resume to normal breathing. Relax now completely. So you must have noticed the breathing, how breathing takes place, and how you are able to enter into the space. At the first stage, how you are feeling, and the second hall, how that pause has been tried to locate, and the third hall, how that pause was found out and on an extended time or count. If you try it daily and acquaint yourself with this technique, you will be able to move into this space, stay there for an extended time, so that you will get peace and tranquility. This is the technique, the precious technique, on which so many yogis have done their penance and realized themselves. Even in the case of our Gautama Buddha, he used this technique. Based upon the breathing techniques covered in this third stage or second stage or first stage, he has realized himself. So, this being an unique technique and also a good virtue which each one of us can find out better, we will explore this and enjoy sitting, staying, experiencing, finding that space. In the next episode, I will be covering on the contemplation part. Now, friends, open your eyes slowly, rub your hands and press your both hands against your face, eyes, chest, shoulder, and lap. Please take care. Have a nice day. Next, we will meet on the contemplation portion of guided meditation. Before I conclude, let us chant Om 3 times. श्रीरामकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. हरिः ओम्.